Alternative spelling for long E sound. AI usually comes in the middle of the word like snail, rain, paint, train. A-E hop over E rule or magic E rule where E is silent. Cake, bake, sail, flame. AY usually comes at the end of the word like play, clay, spray, tray. EI as a long A sound have only few words like whale, beige, reindeer. EY has also only some words like pray, obey, convey, survey. It's a quadrigraph usually comes in the middle of the word like eight, night, wait, neighbor. As a use always in the beginning of two-syllable word like apron, ancient, April, acorn. Thank you. Let's understand alternative spelling for long E sounds. E, B, beat, seed. E, C, leaf, need. E, baby, happy, candy. E, key, money, donkey. E, eve, theme, meme. Let's understand long I alternative sound. IE usually comes at the end of the word like pie, tie, lie. It's a trigraph, comes in the middle of the word like light, bright, night. I-E using hop over E rule or a magic E rule like kite, five, tile. Y as a I when long I sound at the end of most common way to spell it with a I like cry, try, fry. I followed by two consonant like ND, LD and NT like fine, kind, blind. Also followed by open syllable rule like tiger, spider, rider. Thank you. Alternative long O sound. O usually comes at the end of single syllable word like no, go, show. OA usually comes in the middle of the word like so, goat, bloat, throat, raincoat. O-E hop over E or magic E rule. Stone, bone, rope, episode where E is silent. OE usually comes at the end of the word like toe, do, fo. OW usually comes at the end of the word like low, snow, show, blow, yellow. Thank you. Let us understand long U alternative sounds. UE usually comes at the end of the word like value, rescue, barbecue. U-E followed by hop over E like cube, tube, fuse where E is silent. UI at the middle of the word like fruit, juice, suit, cruise. EW at the end of the word after consonant like new, few, crew. U use as a at the start of a syllable in longer word like unicorn, unit, uniform, music. Thank you.